Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to BSS Online Education. Today it's your another video class on a new chapter from your syllabus. In the previous video, we have finished classification of tense. Okay, present, past, and future. We have discussed detail about the structures. And today this video will be on the classification of sentence according to meaning. Okay, so let's start. Sentence classification according to meaning. So first of all, if we are talking about the definition of sentence, we know that a group of words which help us to express our feeling, that's called sentence. But it should also have meaning. Just like you have group of words but it doesn't have any meaning, that cannot we say, or that cannot we call a sentence. Just like go I to school, this is a group of words but it doesn't have any meaning, it's not arranged. But if we are telling with the same words, I go to school, now it has a meaning and it has a sequence, it has a connection with each other that has a meaning, that expressing someone's feeling. Okay, so meaning is very much important in case of sentence. You can see there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. Number 1 is assertive, number 2 is interrogative, number 3 is imperative, number 4 is optative, and number 5 is exclamatory. Okay, but I have a feeling here, just like I used to think that we are learning all this is just like classifications from 5 years ago at least, or 4 years. But from that time we are doing our homework, classwork, 10 sentences we have given as our homework, but we don't understand actually, or we cannot just like remember it for a long time. Okay, so let's have some fun. Through that we can learn the classification of sentence in different way and we can remember for a long time. Okay, so look at here. So you can see assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. And you can see assertive sentence has another 2 parts, affirmative and negative. We can also say positive and negative, any kind of positive statement and any kind of negative statement. These all we will discuss in detail in the just like next videos. But today we will try to remember, we will try how we can remember the classifications. Okay, interrogative, you can see WH question, verbal question, tag question. Okay, so 3 parts interrogative sentence has. Okay, then you can see imperative, order, advice, and request. Okay, it has another 3 parts, optative, wish, and prayer. Okay, and exclamatory, happy, wonder, and sad. Okay, so you can see assertive I have given A, red color, interrogative I, and imperative I have given the same color for I. Optative I have given blue, and exclamatory I have given green. So you can see I have taken A here instead of assertive. Then I have taken interrogative here for I, imperative here, imperative I have taken I, O for optative I have taken, and E for exclamatory. Now you can see there are some given some powers over the letters. So how we can just like remember that what are the powers of assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory? Look at here. Assertive we have affirmative and negative, 2 another parts. So I have given square, A square. Okay, interrogative we have 3 another parts, WH question, verbal question, tag question. So I have given I3 instead of interrogative, I3. Imperative it has 3 another section, order, advice, request. So I have taken I from imperative and I have given 3 here for its another 3 parts. Okay, so optative, it has wish and prayer, that I have, it has 2 another parts. So I have taken O from optative, and then wish and prayer as 2 parts we have, so I have given square. And exclamatory, it has 3 sections, you can see, happy, wonder and sad, so I have given 3. So in total what we can say, A square 2I6 O square EQ. So what does it mean? How can we get it? I plus I equal to 2I, and then the power I have added over I. So it has become a formula. Through that we can remember the classification of sentence according to meaning very much easily. A square 2I6 O square EQ. I think it has become very interesting for you to remember, just like someone is asking you that how many kinds of sentence according to meaning. So if you are going through this formula in your mind, you can say very much easily the classification of sentence according to meaning. So that's all for today. In the later, just like later in the other videos, I will try to discuss in detail all these classifications with their examples. That's all. Bye.